Hi, my name is Arielle. I'm originally from Philadelphia in the US, and I came over to Switzerland 10 years ago for my studies, and I stayed for work, and so now I'm part of risk advisory at Deloitte. I've joined in August 2018, and my focus then is around whether that be pharma or medtech clients, and helping them to adapt and to just prepare for the very changing regulatory landscape that we're dealing with these days. And beyond my team in risk advisory, we're looking into any type of risk really that a client of ours could be having to face, and that could be the cybersecurity risk in a very digital world today, or when it comes to regulations that they're increasingly stringent and they're always changing. So how can we help them prepare and build a roadmap for them is really some of the things we're focusing on. What I like to do outside of work would be, I love to go hiking or skiing. The mountains in Switzerland allow for that quite often. I love to play with my friend's dog often, go hiking with her, as well as to travel or dancing, whether that be salsa dancing or any other type really. So one of the things that makes Deloitte different is that we have many programs or events that you can take part in, and for me one of the key ones would be the Women's Initiative Network, WIN we call it. And throughout the year we have many different events that you can attend, and we're bringing in female leaders, of course internally but also externally, to learn about work-life balance, to learn about health and wellness, also just to learn about how to get through the challenges in your career. And so just bringing women together, or bringing anyone together really, is the goal, and that for me is a very important part of what I do outside of the client work. So before joining Deloitte, and actually before joining consulting in general, I imagined consulting and risk advisory to be full of the suits, people that were maybe slightly arrogant, talking what we say fluff, perhaps, and what value did they really add for their clients. And then I joined, and I'm happy to say that I'm quite surprised that people really know what they're doing. They're very passionate about their different fields and about learning more from each other, and that we really care about our clients. And in my field, that also means at the very end of the line, the patient. So to see people driven by that and have a common goal is really, really inspiring and motivates me.